Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saad Ahmed Jafri. I am the leader of my group, and we have selected Vita Bread for our project. So first of all, I will tell you about why Vita Bread failed in the market. Simply the reasons of failure. First reason, they couldn't continue in the market because the bread was just 4%. There were some production and supply problems with Vita Bread. Vita Bread was forced to close production in 2009 due to lack of money. Vita Bread did not pay attention to the advertising side of things. They had some major problems regarding price. Now I will tell you about the place of business where we want to launch our Vita Bread. First of all, we are launching in Karachi, and we will be distributing Vita Bread to local retailers, bakeries, general stores, and other supermarket departmental stores and supermarket chains milk shop. We will do everything possible to relaunch it, and we will provide people with what they want, such as Vita stalls at various exhibitions held at various colleges, universities, and town. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Mumtaz Ali. I am presenting the relaunch of Vita Bread. The strategy to be relaunched Vita Bread tends to be a great decision, thus there appears to be enough opportunity in the market and in terms of both price and quality. Before launching Vita Bread in Pakistani market, some variety of factors must be considered, including customer desires, needs and wants and satisfaction. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Sabur Ahmad Kashif, and today my presentation topic is product quality. As you know, every organization or company has its own product regarding to running his own business. So our product Vita Bread has two qualities: low content categories and high content categories. In low content categories, there is a lot of in low content categories there is a lot of fat and calories which will destroy the human bodies. So and the other is natural and organic bread. Natural products are becoming more common as people gain product using natural products, because nowadays usually people moving to the natural things, and they are not consuming and they are not consuming hybrid things. For example, we can take example of vegetables. There are two type of vegetables. First one is hybrid and other is natural. And you can see now natural thing in every market is very cheap and very preferable. So in our company there is two types of qualities. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Kareem Ahmad, and today my topic is Vita. And Vita market segmentation is an opportunity to change a company marketing accuracy. A market is made up of a large number of individuals who have similar desire, purchasing power, and physical position, buying approach, or buying habits. The following variables were used to segment the population: demographic segmentation, age, gender, salary, social class, and occupation are all used to segment demographics. Gender: Vita bread is suitable for both men and women. Income: Vita bread is specialized at the middle of and upper class. It will be good quality. Age: Vita bread can be used at any stage of life, but our target audience is people age 18 to 50. Target audience, we are focusing on the following segments after segmenting the market. Income group, we will be targeting all income classes who can already afford bread for breakfast. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mohammad Usman and I am representing the positioning of Vita Bread. Distribution network has a significant part in catching bread market. The main cause of Vita Bread failure is distribution. Distribution will be partitioned by the number of regions and the idea of client customers.
Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Aisha Jawad here. I would like to represent my presentation and my topic is marketing mix. The 4Ps is a marketing model that needs to develop marketing mix strategies to achieve its desired results within the market that it serves. Vita Bread developing strategies that address the various aspects of each element will be able to achieve its board marketing strategies. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saif Rehman Khan, and my topic is 4Ps of marketing. 4Ps of marketing of Vita Bread. First of all, I want to discuss how to promote the Vita Bread. There are multi ways to promote the Vita Bread: through on social media, through on the newspaper, through on television, and also through on ads on YouTube. The secondly is product. Vita Bread will not just focus on the product that it offer and also give the packaging, because the customer saying the quality and cleanliness of packaging, where the customer are attracted to buy the Vita Bread. Vita Bread understand the importance of nutrition and taste in Pakistan. The third one is price. Vita Bread follow the presentation strategies where it offer the initially low price, then the competitor to gain market share, and Vita Bread will offer super quality product and also affordable price to purchase the customer easily. The fourth one is place. Those places are good where a huge platform of wholesaler and also customer. Thank you. This is from my side.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muzaffar Ali and my presentation topic is promotional activities. For promotional activities, Vita Bread utilize the method like billboard, television, newspaper, social papers, ads in YouTube. Billboard, we make the large text outdoor design which will be in a clear vision and easy to read. Television, another innovative method which can use to show product in animated cartoons, ads according to the targeted customer. Newspaper, Vita Bread also used to use this method to target their customer. Social papers like posters on a social network, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Ads in YouTube. YouTube is the most commonly used in nowadays. So Vita Bread also use this method, run their ad between the videos. Thank you.